Oh, this is a single DC compressor. We open for changing old oil. We have new oil because it was getting problem. Shut down automatically and change capillary tube as charging who's charging service bulb and checking others because it was choking. That's why we open compressor and we will out oil.
এটা হলে ভালো হতো।
আচ্ছা একটা এমএম করে এমএম আচ্ছা এটা ময়লা পরে তাহলে তাহলে আস্তে আস্তে করে আস্তে আস্তে করে ময়লা তাড়িতে বাড়িতেছে তাই না?
হ্যাঁ এইটা তো
হ্যাঁ এইভাবে করো করে আস্তে আস্তে oh it was water na water and oil coming from inside. Look, very dusty, very dust inside oil. Very dirty oil coming from আস্তে আস্তে করো সমস্যা হচ্ছে
না না সমস্যা
রাখতে পারো রেখে আস্তে আস্তে ধরে রাখতে পারো সমস্যা নেই মূলত এটা দিয়ে অয়েল বের হবে এটা দিয়ে এইখানে সাপোর্ট দাও এইখানে সাপোর্ট দাও আসুন সাপোর্ট হলে তাহলে এটা একটু হ্যান্ডেল করে রাখো তাহলে দুই দিক দিয়ে করবে এটা আবার কাজ করে যায় তাহলে ওটা ইয়ার ভিতরে পড়বে very dirty. এটা এখানে রাখা যাবে look here is the oil very dirty oil inside very dirty oil very dirty oil so before opening the compressor we should open circuit. If you don't open circuit it will be burn any sensor or sensor line or any others problem maybe. So for safety you should open all things because it is heating. After heating, before heating it is risky. Okay, it is risky. There is a lot of sensor, heating sensor, lot of sensor, or ambient, outside ambient temperature sensor, and coils have coil sensor, and the compressor output sensor. This is compressor output sensor, or the pressure output sensor, heating sensor. Okay, lot of sensor here. You have to clean all oil, all old oil. Then we will put new oil, and before putting oil we should measure how much oil we out and we should how much oil we inside or refill. It may be 400, 500 or 600 gram oil. As we said, here is also have water in the look. There is the water is down and the oil is here, right? So that's because first time also we are getting oil from inside, not oil, water. from. So today also before opening we start the compressor, and sometimes it is getting water from inside, and after sometimes after 10 or 15 minutes later it is getting stopped automatically. That's why we open, and it is choking. We said we guess it is choking, and that's why we open this compressor and checking one by one pressure. Look, here is before uh, uh, normally inside this here is have water, and here is have compressor oil, dust oil, because this color from this separator or filter dryer, water from dryer. That means inside line, inside or inside unit have water. That is problem. So thank you for watching. We will refill the oil now. As I said, you can see the dust or oil coming from high pressure line, and it is water or other dust coming from this input line. Okay, input line. This is input line. That means low pressure line and high pressure line, or high liquid line or gas line, like this. So this one. It is need 1 hour to clean whole oil out. It will time 1 hour to put here. Then it will be. Inside high pressure line also have water, like this water from here right now, out from here. Inside this output also have water. Inside also, inside more water, like bubbles. You can see bubbles on this cloth with oil, bubbles. Turning down. Right angle, straight. Okay. So it is need more times to out, because it is coming from dropping one by one slowly. So when we put oil, we need to run this compressor and put one some slowly input oil. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any question, please comment or call.